Just another day I'm crushing rolling trees. I pray to God.
Sabinus, like I told you,
yes,
if you do me well, I will do you well.
Yes,
if you don't do me well, I will not do you well.
Yes,
Oh, thank you. I'm looking for a very nice car I want to buy.
Okay.
Something like a Corolla, all those 2003, 2002 model.
Oh, we have that. We have that, sir.
Okay, now just show me. So I will...
It's over there, sir.
Okay.
Can you come with me? All right, sir.
So they brought like all the Toyota Camrys, and I think 5 already sold out now.
Hello, how do I get a car of 50 million? Yeah, how are you?
Hi.
How you doing? My name is Chief Owago.
Whew, you're chief.
Yeah, the blue chief.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
I think I can get you a car of 50 million also, so I'll sum it up, 100 million.
I don't need a car.
You don't need a car?
No, I don't.
Let me give you my number so that whenever I need a car of 50 million upward, you holler me.
I love that.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
You know,
seem like you spend a
don't
lot of
worry.
money.
Yeah, money is my surname.
Wow.
Yeah.
So if I get married to you, my last name is gonna change to Money.
They call you Mrs. Money. So who is in charge? Okay.
Hey, this one is looking beautiful, but I don't really have the money.
You will really enjoy the car.
No, I will enjoy you, but it's not what I bought.
Oh my God, sorry. Excuse me, sir.
Hey, Sabinus want to kill me.
Oga, wait. You broke the side mirror.
I beg.
The side mirror is just 120,000. Oga, you have to pay now.
120.
No, my Oga must hear this. Pay me my money.
I follow my Oga.
Pay me my money. Which your
And they
Oga?
never
From
leave.
village, come.
Pay me my
They have left
120,000
you
now. Give me my money.
Hey.
What?
Run,
How many times did they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? You be Mumu.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Hey.
You be Mumu.
Are you done washing?
Yes.
Madam is calling you inside. Look at him.
If not be Mumu, I'm Mumu. If I fit talk to me. They hold me, Chief Owago. They watch motor. Look at that. Don't worry.
Full time. Hey!
You be Mumu. You think say they wise?
Ma, good afternoon.
Aren't you the blue chief?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing here? What happened? Why are you dressed?
Madam, it's incident, so.
You mean you're the one that broke the mirror for 120K yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
I thought you wanted to buy a car for 50 million. I thought you were gonna buy me one too. You mean you were just opening your mouth and closing, bringing out any nonsense that comes out from it?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you know what? You're going to wash car for 4 months. There are so many cars out here. Now go start cleaning.
Now even road to go to I cannot day. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself.
No, na me fuck up.